thicker, thinner, wider, and cleaner.
Thousands of woodworkers around the country have embraced Woodpeckers Slab Flattening Mill as the best way to surface live edge slabs. Now we've taken it up a notch with increased thickness range, increased width, highly efficient dust collection, and edge joining capability. The Slab Flattening Mill Pro router carriage adjusts up and down, allowing you to work on thicker and thinner slabs by simply raising or lowering the carriage base, rather than wasting time shimming up the slab or the rails. Check out this range. Work from just a fraction of an inch all the way up to an impressive 3 3/8 of an inch. So how do you know where to set the height? It's simple. If the curtain isn't touching the stock, neither will the router bit. You want the curtain just a little bit compressed. Just support the carriage off the rails, move the pins to the correct slots, lock it down and go. Just like the original, surfacing a slab with the Slab Flattening Mill Pro starts with locating the high point, lowering your bit just below that point, moving back and forth across the slab and repeating until you have a flat surface. And that's not all. With the new lower positions and the included carriage stops, you can mill an edge on your stock that's square to the face and perfectly straight too. Another feature of the new router carriage is integrated dust collection. When we first launched the slab flattening mill, we noticed there were chips everywhere. But now, twin dust collection ports are built right into the carriage, and a tough flexible curtain completely surrounds the cutting area. With the cutting area nearly sealed, dust collection is very efficient and your shop stays cleaner. We also expanded the width capacity to a whopping 48.5 inches when using a 2-inch surfacing bit. You can get the Slab Flattening Mill Pro with a basic length capacity of 58 inches. Or you can get the extended version that has a length capacity of over 11 feet. And if you already have the original slab flattening mill, there's an upgrade option to put the new router carriage on your rails. Woodpeckers Slab Flattening Mill Pro, the perfect solution for surfacing live edge slabs in your own shop.